Here are the survival tips from coronavirus. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tips and updates. Yeah. Being in pandemic due to the coronavirus is so creepy. But here are the tips and tricks on how to survive from this virus. The thought of going into quarantine may sound scary, but it's a simple precaution to protect yourself and others from contagious diseases. If you live in an area that's affected by an infectious disease outbreak, such as the recent COVID-19 epidemic, health officials may recommend that you practice social distancing, or limit your time in public in order to protect yourself. If you get sick or might have been exposed to the disease, you might need to go into quarantine or isolate yourself at home until the danger of spreading the infection to others has passed. Stay in touch with your doctor and reach out to friends and loved ones to help put your worries at ease and relieve stress while you're waiting for your quarantine period to end. Tip number 1. Get recommendations on social distancing from reputable public health websites. If you live in an area that's affected by an infectious disease outbreak, such as the COVID-19 virus, visit your local public health website for updates and information. They will provide information about how to protect yourself and others from illness and will let you know whether social distancing is necessary. Tip number 2. Keep your hands away from your face as much as possible. Many viruses and germs enter the body through the mucous membranes in your eyes, nose, and mouth. To prevent this, avoid touching your face as much as possible, since your hands may have come into contact with a contaminated surface. Tip number 3. Wash your hands frequently when you're in public areas. Washing your hands is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect yourself and others from the spread of disease. If you are in a public space or another area where you know you might be exposed to an illness, wash your hands often with soap and running water. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, and make sure to wash your wrists, between your fingers, and the backs of your hands. Tip number 4. Cover your mouth and nose if you cough or sneeze. Even if you don't think you're sick, it's important to protect others in your community and set a good example by practicing proper hygiene when you cough and sneeze. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue, then immediately throw the tissue away. Wash your hands or use hand sanitizer when you're done. Tip number 5. Stay at least 6 feet, 2 meters, away from obviously sick people. Many contagious diseases spread when people spend time around infected people, even if they don't actually have physical contact. This can happen when an infected person coughs or sneezes and people around them breathe in droplets of saliva or mucus from their nose or mouth. If you're around someone with symptoms of illness, like sneezing or coughing, avoid touching them and try to maintain a distance of at least 6 feet, 2 meters, at all times. That would be all, and thank you. Share this information to others too. And subscribe. Thanks.